Hi guys, and welcome to the Android Tutorial YouTube channel. Today I want to unbox the Google Chromecast third generation, and basically this is a device in order for you to send audio or video into your TV and see it there instead of your phone. So first of all, it says that it works with YouTube, Google Play Movies, Netflix, Hulu, HBO, Showtime, Spotify, and so on. Even Google Photos. Okay, as I said, if you are able to stream this to your TV, and it says that it will even work with your Google Home. I have several videos on that I'll share in here or in the video description, and it says that it works with Android, iPhone, or laptops with Chrome. So that's awesome. It says that it streams up to 880p, that it plugs into your HDMI port, so you do need an HDMI port in your TV, and that you set it up with your Google Home app. I have a video about that I'm also gonna place in the video description. So first of all, I'm gonna open up real quick. Okay, so here's the device. So you can see it's like a matte black, and I get it out. Okay, and here I have my Chromecast second generation. So first of all, you can see several differences. This is matte black and it has a G here. Let me just place it here. Here's the G. And here is the second generation Chromecast that it has a Chrome logo here, and it's not matte, it's shiny in fact. So second difference I see here is that you got a magnet. So you're able to tap it here and you're able to close it this way. On this one, unfortunately, you don't have the magnet anymore and you cannot roll it like this. Okay, but other than the exterior, the interior is exactly the same. You got here a micro USB, and you also got a button here in order to reset your Chromecast if needed. Yeah, and that would be basically it. You could see that both use HDMI, which is not a shocker. It's already used. Okay, so here we got the micro USB and USB type A in order to plug into your TV in case, or the outlet in case your TV doesn't have sufficient power in order to power this on. And obviously the power cord here, a power brick. It's really simple. It just says to plug in, switch TV to the input, and then go ahead and install it. So that's really simple. Guys, as I said, I'm gonna leave in the video description the whole bunch of videos I've done for Chromecast. This is just an update. My recommendation is that if you already have one of the second generation ones, you don't have to purchase a third generation one. It's not worth it. It does exactly the same. It's just a redesign, and some additional add-ons with are basically not worth it, and no one's gonna notice, at least for now. So yeah, that's basically it. I do really like this one, at least the exterior. If you have any questions on how it works, please leave them in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. That helps us a lot. And subscribe to the YouTube channel. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.